guys! Welcome sa isang special feature ng TDPH. Today, makakasama natin ang isa sa mga graduates ng aming PSE Market Mentorship Program. In just 15 days, natutunan nila ang mga essentials of trading sa PSE Market. Super interesting ang journey ng ating graduate, kaya let's hear more about kung paano nakatulong ang mentorship program sa kanya. Let's get started! Hi, sir. Can you introduce yourself and tell us about your background before joining the PSE Market Mentorship?
Yes, I am John Matthew Ang, a civil engineer by profession, based here in the Philippines. I opened my first broker account back in 2015 and engaged in self-study and tons of research in this field despite having no financial background.
So, sa mga hindi din po nakakaalam, si Sir Matthew po ay pang-ilang graduate na sa ating mga courses. So, siya po ay suki na sa ating mga courses. At pang-ilan na to, sir, na nag-graduatean mo ngayon?
This is my sixth.
Six. So, almost lahat po ng ating mentorship program ay sinalihan ni Sir at siya po ay laging graduate sa ating mga program. So, very congratulations po talaga, Sir. Nakaka-proud ka po talaga. So, by this time, Sir, what made you decide to pursue trading in the PSE market and how did you hear about the mentorship program of TDPH?
My primary objective of trading in PSE is for an alternate source of income. So self-navigation has been proven difficult and I'm often unsure about what I'm doing during those times. So eventually, I stumbled upon the blog series and
And how would you describe the PSE mentorship of TDPH? At ano yung tatlong pinaka-best qualities na nagustuhan mo sa PSE program?
it made trading from straight up difficult to slightly more bearable. Combined with real trading experiences, we were able to develop the three best qualities: patience, perseverance, and conviction. So yung 15 days, you learn the concepts, mga ganun. Pero yung training journey, taon nang inabot.
Kasi hindi naman kasi, 'di ba, isang click lang talaga matututunan mo na ang pagte-trade at isang click lang yung isang instant millionaire ka na kagad, 'di ba? Talagang kailangan nandun talaga yung tiyaga mo at kagustuhan mong matuto pagdating sa trading.
Opo.
So sir, ano-ano naman ang mga natutunan mo mula sa mentorship na to sa PSE at pwede mo bang i-share sa yung mga pinaka-importante mong natutunan na nakatulong sa iyo sa pagte-trade?
We started with the basics like what a candle is and how the market works. Eventually, we were taught the various strategies, execution via live trades, and live sessions to tackle Q&A. The most important part was live trading and accepting losses right from the start.
So talagang dito sa mentorship talaga na to is live trading talaga, real money. So real experience talaga yung ginagawa niyong pagte-trade.
Opo.
Was there any point during the program where you felt challenged or unsure about trading? And how did you overcome those challenges?
Yes, definitely meron yan. No? So I've lost count of how many port resets I've done over the years in addition to my computer breaking down along the way and losing records. So hindi ko na alam kung pang ilang reset na sa totoo lang. Hindi ako on and off mag-trade. Hindi ako on and off mag-trade. Every day since sumali ako rito, tumitingin ako sa chart daily, walang skip. Although syempre, we execute trade setups whenever meron lang entry or exits na nagpakita, which is hindi naman araw-araw. Pero every day, every night, natingin ako sa chart, nagsiscreen, gumagawa ng watch list or ganyan. No? So, I've been doing this for a long while already and experimented with different strategies to fit my busy schedule, but still to no avail. I've seen plenty of graduates from my batch and newer batches too. Sometimes I think if I'm doing something wrong or my stock picks are just unlucky all the time. So to overcome these challenges, I just continued trading my setups and just forget about the graduation goals.
Talaga kailangan lang talaga huwag kang magi-give up pagdating sa trading. Continue, continue. Continue trading and continue learning, 'di ba? Sa pagte-trade.
Give up tomorrow.
And yes, give up tomorrow. Isa sa mga naging tagline ng ating group ng traders din. And di ba, sir, as part of the program, you need to achieve a net gain after 30 executed trades in the PSE market. How did you feel once na na-hit mo na tong milestone na to, na finally, nakagraduate ka na, and what strategy helped you to succeed?
At isang malaking ginhawa yun. It's a big relief kung nalaman ko na, okay, graduate na po, no? So, it's one less milestone to worry about. So, yun nga, yung strategy na, you mean the strategy to ano ba, trading strat ba? Or yung strategy to succeed ba?
What strategy helped you to succeed? Yung ano yung ginamit mong strategy?
Strategy that I use is just forget about graduation and keep trading lang talaga.
So, do you feel more confident and prepared na mag-trade sa PSC after ng mentorship?
Yes, I trade independently now. No need to waste time on research, news, rumors, community, so kung ano ba dyan. Start lang titingnan.
So, what advice can you give to beginners or those are still hesitant to start trading in the PSE market? Kasi knowing, di ba ngayon na ang PSE, ilang araw na nating parang nag-down. Ano yung mabibigay mong advice sa mga beginners at sa mga hesitant pa rin na mag-start, na mag-trade sa PSE?
Don't be afraid to take a leap of faith.
Kasi doon nag-uumpisa ang lahat. Hindi ka makaka-step forward kung matatakot ka, kung hindi mo itatry. Lastly, sir, with how this mentorship help you to trade PSE market, would you recommend it to others, especially sa mga newbies nga, yung mga hesitant pa rin to start? If so, why?
Yes, because an independently established system is better than wala analysis. So here in the mentorship, we also learned along the way paano mabuo yung actually matutunan mo rin dyan by trading. Kailangan akma rin kasi sa schedule mo, sa oras mo, kaya ba ng katawan mo, mga ganyan ba. So it took me a long time to adjust talaga, no. So since I was one of the veterans here 2021, tapos ilang taon rin yun. So eventually nung nabuo ko na yung system na akma sa akin, uh, mas medyo mas ano na mas madali na mag-trade eh. Mas mabilis na rin mag-screen, mag-watch list. Actually, yun laging pinoproblema ko noon. Yung paano mag-watch list. I keep on asking on every live session. Nag-chat pa ako kay Ma'am Lioness. Paano ba mag-watch list? Mga ganun pinoproblema. Ang tagal kong pinoproblema yun. So anyway, eventually I figured it out na rin. No? So it's never too late naman. So yun, manalo matalo, kung ano outcome dyan, tatanggapin na lang din. Kasi kasama naman sa system dyan, yung mga losses, mga ganyan, yung budget, ano ba, psychology, kasama yun sa dabong system and experience na rin, no, ng live trading.
So, iba talaga, sir, pagka meron kang sinalihan ng mentorship compare dun sa mga nagdi-DIY lang, di ba? Kasi iba talaga yung matututunan mo, especially sabi mo nga sa psychology of trading. Talagang malaking importansya yung merong nagga-guide sa'yo in terms of trading.
Yeah, trading kasi parang you're navigating the open seas. Tapos, you're not sure you're going na the right direction ba? Baka naliligaw ka na. Hindi. You don't know eh. Maybe you are really going na the right direction pero you're not sure. So, minsan, liliko ka, lalo kang maligaw, mga ganyan ba. Here naman, since may mentorship tayo, we're taught how to use the tools properly, you'll be able to, safely navigate the open seas. Siyempre, yung dagat, ano pa rin yan, eh. Sometimes, rough pa rin yan, minsan kalmado, minsan magulo. Pero, at least you would know what to do.
Iba pa rin yung may nag-guide talaga.
Opo.
So thank you so much, sir, for sharing your journey with us. Very inspiring po. Imagine mo from 2021, ngayon ay 2026 na, 'di ba? Nag-continue ka lang sa pagtitrade hanggang sabi mo nga dati, hirap ka kung paano gumawa ng watchlist sa charting, pero ngayon, 'di ba? Hindi ka nag-stop, hindi ka sumuko. At ngayon, sabi mo nga, nasasanay ka na talaga kung paano talaga ang charting at kung paano mag-screen ng mga stocks.
Yeah, hindi rin ako gumagamit ng mga screener o ano. Kasi yun yung turo sa OG talaga na noon. I don't know kung ngayon sa mga present patches tinuturo ba. Pero nung nag-start kami, wala talaga. So, nakasanayan ko na rin na manual screening, A to Z, isa-isa talaga lahat. Tapos bawat strat na gagamitin mo, ulitin mo rin, A to Z na naman, ganyan. So, daily, yun yung ginagawa ko.
So thank you so much, Sir Matthew. Once again, nakaka-proud naman po. Congratulations once again for the 6th time sa pag-graduate dito sa TDPH. So nakaka-proud at tuwan-tuwa po kami lahat sa inyo sa na-achieve mo po ngayon. At sa mga traders or gustong maging trader, kung ikaw ay interesado at gustong matutunan ang mga techniques na ginamit ng ating graduates, join sa aming PSE Mentorship Program. In just 15 days, matututo ka sa mga importanteng strategies na makakatulong sa'yo to gain an edge in the market. Visit our website at tradersdenph.com or follow our Facebook page or send us a message for more info. Huwag nang palampasin ang chance to level up your trading skill. Salamat and we can't wait to see you sa next batch. So once again, Sir Matthew, congratulations and thank you for sharing your journey with us.
Salamat po.